This is tricky. It's either a program database file for debugging code or an old Palm OS ebook. If you aren't a programmer, it's likely the ebook. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's verify the file type. Based on my professional background, there's always a secret weapon for deeply corrupted PDB files. This advanced, near-guaranteed solution can be downloaded now. The PDB signature identifies it as a specialized type of database file. The file operates using the encoding model of program database. The PDB file type commonly refers to a program database file used by Microsoft development tools. It stores debugging and project state information, including source file names, variable names, and line numbers, enabling developers to debug software effectively. Created by Microsoft for use with Visual Studio and the Windows platform. The proprietary design rules dictate a structured database format for mapping the compiled executable code back to the original source code lines for debugging purposes. The essential opener for the PDB structure is Microsoft Visual Studio, developed by Microsoft Corporation. Standard Windows programs often fail to correctly display all layers of the document. Windows exposes only limited info, so stored tables and rows must be accessed through DB software. Your reliable first move is the Open With command. Right-click the PDB file and select Open With. If Microsoft Visual Studio is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. We must find the app that claims the file. If your PDB file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. The highly specific nature of the PDB file means general fixes are useless. Let's quickly verify these essential items before we dive into the repair. First, identify the creator. Determine if the file is a Visual Studio debug symbol file or an old Palm OS ebook database file. Next, use contextual software. If a debug file, ensure the correct executable is present. If a Palm file, use a Palm OS emulator or a PDB reader like Palm DB Viewer. Finally, set symbol path. If debugging, set the symbol server path correctly in the debugger settings to allow the IDE to locate and use the PDB file. We've already tried the easy routes for your PDB file. When it's still not working, it's time to pivot to a method specifically designed to try and handle stubborn PDB formats. To save time, use File Magic. It guarantees access to almost any PDB format. Find the link at filemagic.com. Thanks for trusting me with your file issue. I appreciate the loyal subscribers. New viewers, please subscribe and welcome to the team.